You know what's kind of wild? We look through lenses and into mirrors all day, every day.
It's a super common question. And the answer, well, it's all about how light behaves. Let's dig in. Believe it or not, pretty much all of optics comes down to just two simple rules. Here's the thing. Light either bounces off something or it bends right on through it. That's it. So reflection, that's just the bounce. Light hits a mirror and leaves at the exact same angle. Refraction is the bend. It happens when light moves from, say, air into a piece of glass.
All right, let's talk mirrors. This one formula, it's the key to predicting everything you see. But listen, the formula itself is useless without its secret code. It's all about the signs. Okay, I know, this is where people get stuck, but we're gonna break this down step by step.
We just measure from the middle of the mirror. Any distance against the light's path is negative. And this code works for both kinds of mirrors. A concave one, kind of like a cave, pulls light together.
While a convex mirror, hey, that's your car mirror, spreads it out. See how their signs are opposite? That's crucial. So what about lenses? The formula is almost identical, but watch out for one tiny critical difference. You see it? A plus for mirrors, a minus for lenses. That small change, well, it changes everything. And just like with mirrors, the two types of lenses have opposite signs for their focal lengths. So how do we actually use this code to solve problems? Let's put it to the test.
It's just 4 steps, but step 1 is the most important. Get those signs right from the start.
The sign of your final answer for V tells you if the image is real or just virtual. So why does any of this matter? I know it can feel like just abstract math, but it's not.
These rules literally explain eyeglasses, car headlights, and even the camera on your phone. It's everywhere. Okay, let's put it all in one place. Think of this table as your ultimate cheat sheet.
So back to that car mirror, it's a convex mirror, so it always makes a smaller virtual image. And your brain gets fooled. It sees smaller and thinks farther away. That's why the warning's there.
The takeaway here is simple. If you can master the signs, you've completely mastered the topic. So now that you know the code, what else can you decode about the world you see every day?